Hey everyone! In this video, we will learn how to create a lead magnet that attracts the right clients. Identify your target audience and their specific pain points or needs. Next, choose a lead magnet format. You can offer high-value content that directly addresses the needs of your target audience. Keep it focused and ensure it solves a single problem for your audience. Now, create a compelling title that communicates the benefit of the lead magnet. Design an attractive opt-in page with a clear call to action. Here, promote the lead magnet via your website, social media, and email campaigns. Then optimize for conversions by ensuring a seamless sign-up process. Follow up with a valuable email sequence to nurture leads and guide them toward becoming clients. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more content like this.